Hey friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Kaiser. If you're new here, if you're not, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. Okay, so from the title you guys can already tell what I'm going to be talking about today, but I cannot believe I am sitting here right now to tell you guys that I have my very own collection being released with a brand that I love, respect, that were patient with me, allowed me so much creative freedom, and that is Nudestix, guys. So I've got my very own collection coming out. That is just crazy to me. I'm releasing not one but two kits. Two! That is like a big deal. Like, hello? I feel like this has literally been one of my biggest dreams in my whole career, and the fact that I'm sitting here now to talk to you guys about it and tell you guys that it's live to purchase like right now, craziness. So I released two kits with them. The first one's called Baby Got Peach, as you guys can see. One thing that I love about Nudestix is how multifunctional and useful I don't know the right word, but you can literally use any of their products in multiple ways, and that's why I really feel like it's just all types of me. You guys know I don't like sitting down for a long time doing makeup. It's just, I'm lazy. So something that can literally cut my makeup time in half, easy to travel with, it's just all types of me. So I'm gonna just show you guys some of the products now. So Baby Got Peach includes these three colors right here. So the first color is called Picante. Picante is a beautiful matte orange color, which you guys know how much I've been raving about orange blushes recently. They look phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal on every single skin tone, especially melanated, especially black girls. And you guys know I'm a black girl, so when I'm telling you it looks phenomenal, you can trust me on that. It just works every single time. All hits, no misses. Okay, it just looks amazing. Then I chose this really beautiful peachy pinkish type of color. It's got a bit of my makeup on it, but this is called Poppy Girl. You can literally wear it with no makeup, full face, as you guys can tell. It just works every single time. Then of course I had to just pick out a gold illuminator. It wouldn't be me if I didn't have a gold in the collection. Now this is Brown Sugar Baby. It is all types of me. This looks phenomenal on the eyelids. Literally gives you like a glossy type of look. Very beautiful, very nice on holiday. Apply this as a topper upper on your lips, on your cheeks, mix it with foundation. It works with everything. So I wanted you guys to be able to buy a kit that included the products that I use every single day, and that's how I came up with Baby Got Peach. But just again, I didn't create these shades. Now however, that doesn't mean I didn't create something, because I did. We got It's Poppin right here. Now I created everything in It's Poppin, from the lip liner to the lip gloss, okay? And I'm gonna go in depth with that. Now that's what's on my lips right now, guys. It's just this right here means so much to me, and let me tell you why. So first things first, their packaging is literally so cute, as in it's got a mirror. First of all, that's all types of me. I need a mirror every single time. Then it comes with a sharpener. Now the sharpener is amazing for what I'm about to show you. And let's talk about the lip liner that double ups as an eyeliner, and low-key you can actually use it to contour as well. I'm gonna just give you a bit of some tea. Okay, now this is called Gbaby. Guys, when I say this means so much to me, Gbaby was my grandma, my late grandma, who's recently passed away, and I literally told her when this whole collab came about that I want to name something after you, by the way, Nana. Is that okay? She said, yeah, of course, why not? So I've always wanted her to be a part of one of the biggest things of my career, and it was this, my first ever collaboration. So she allowed me to go ahead and name my first ever product after her, and I couldn't think of anything better than a really beautiful brown liner to name after her. So yeah, guys, like, it just means that much more to me. And when I say this literally happened before everything, so I literally told her I was gonna name this after her, like I think last year February. Really love this. This is a lip liner. I wanted a lip liner that just looked great on literally everyone, and I hope it looks good on everyone, but I feel like it will, and that can also double up as other products as well. So it works really well as an eyeliner as well. I love, again, as I said, products that I can put in my bag, instantly go from day to night, and that is what Gbaby is. Really love this. And lastly, we've got this bad boy right here. This is called Labadi. Now Labadi is a beach in Ghana, Accra. It is literally the perfect name for this. Really love this. This is a clear gloss, but it's just not a clear, we just don't stop there. It's a clear gloss with shimmer. Now you guys know I love my basics, so of course I was gonna go with a safer option, but to just bring it back, make it a bit naughty, I just had to add a bit of shimmer, a bit of glitter into it to give you that type of multi-dimensional type of vibes. Now when you apply this, it literally gives you a beautiful, it's not ultra sticky, which I really like. It's really nice and glossy though, really beautiful, but it literally just makes your lips just like dance. It's got the goldy pink vibe going to it. I'm gonna do a bit of close up so you guys can see. It just looks phenomenal. Now the reason why it's called Labadi is because, you know, the sea, the ocean, it literally is just transparent, like clear, right? But when the sun beams, you see different types of colors on the ocean. Now that's why I named it Labadi, because I feel like, hello, isn't that like the best name? I'm Ghanaian as well. Oh, it just, I think that name just bangs, okay? I think it's just a banging name. That is everything. So just to let you guys know again, Labadi, Gbaby are on my lips. So this is called the IT'S POPPIN kit. Looks like this. Comes with the lip liner that doubles up as an eyeliner and other things, with the lip gloss and a sharpener. IT'S POPPIN. And then we've got Baby's got peach on my cheeks and a bit on my nose and here, literally all over my face today. So if you guys are interested in purchasing that, and also if you guys want to see more in-depth videos of me, you know, using these products, and if you guys want more videos with more different types of looks that you can do with it, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll do that for you. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. So yeah guys, that is literally everything. I just want to say a big thank you to everyone for literally allowing me to get here to say that I am literally releasing my own collection that is live right now with a really big brand. That is phenomenal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this literally talk through and introduction to my kits with Nudestix. I still can't believe I'm saying that. And I hope to see you guys soon. Really love you guys and bye. Oh, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, of course. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye friends.